Wrinkles at 40? Gone. Fine lines at 50? Erased. Even at 70, this magical cream can bring back your glow. Today, I'm sharing an ancient, powerful DIY anti-aging cream using yogurt. Completely natural, totally effective, and super affordable. Get ready to say goodbye to wrinkles, sagging, and dull skin. All from your kitchen. Let's glow back in time. Try it for just 1 week and you'll see the difference. Tag your friends, share the glow, and let's all stay young naturally. Don't let age define your beauty. Embrace the power of nature and give this simple yogurt cream a try. I'm confident you'll love the results. All right, let's dive in. Grab a clean bowl, and we're going to start with our star ingredient, 2 generous spoons of plain natural yogurt. Take a clean bowl and add 2 full spoons of fresh yogurt. Why yogurt? Because it's loaded with lactic acid, which gently exfoliates dead skin cells, fades wrinkles, tightens pores, and boosts collagen. It's a natural miracle for soft, plump, youthful skin. Step 2. Wheat flour. We have a secret weapon for gentle exfoliation: wheat flour, atta. It firms the skin, improves elasticity, and reduces sagging. It acts like a natural tightening agent. No chemicals needed. It also helps to absorb excess oil and can contribute to a smoother texture of our cream. Add 1 spoon of wheat flour and mix it well. Step 3. Rose water. Time for a touch of luxury and incredible hydration. Oh, the beautiful scent. But rose water is more than just fragrant. It's a fantastic natural toner that helps to balance your skin's pH, soothe irritation, and hydrate deeply. It's also known for its antioxidant properties, which help fight those age-accelerating free radicals. Rose water is a skin-soothing elixir. It hydrates, tones, and refreshes tired skin while giving a beautiful natural glow. Add 1 spoon of rose water to this mix well. Step 4. Coffee powder. Coffee is packed with antioxidants that fight free radicals, reduce puffiness, brighten dull skin, and delay signs of aging like wrinkles and dark spots. Coffee is rich in antioxidants that can help protect your skin from damage and even reduce the appearance of dark circles and age spots over time. It also provides a gentle exfoliation and can improve circulation for a healthy glow. Add 1 teaspoon of coffee powder and mix well. Step 5. Olive oil. Olive oil is rich in healthy fats and vitamin E, perfect for deeply moisturizing dry, aging skin and softening fine lines. Olive oil is packed with healthy fats and antioxidants, making it incredibly moisturizing and protective for mature skin. It helps to improve elasticity and reduce the appearance of fine lines. Now add 1 spoon of olive oil and mix it well. Step 6. Coconut oil. This oil is antibacterial, anti-inflammatory, and deeply nourishing. It improves skin texture and adds a youthful glow, especially useful for mature skin. Coconut oil is deeply hydrating and has antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties that can benefit the skin. It helps to create a protective barrier, locking in moisture and keeping your skin supple. Add 1 spoon of coconut oil and mix it well. Step 7. Vitamin E. Vitamin E is the anti-aging king. It repairs skin cells, fades scars, smooths out wrinkles, and boosts elasticity. For an extra dose of skin-loving goodness, we're adding 4 drops of vitamin E oil. Vitamin E is a powerful antioxidant that helps to protect your skin from environmental damage, reduce the appearance of scars and fine lines, and promote skin healing. It's a must-have for mature skin. Step 8. Almond Oil. Almond oil is packed with retinol, vitamin E, and fatty acids. It fades dark circles, reduces pigmentation, and brings your skin back to life. Almond oil is rich in vitamin E and fatty acids, making it incredibly nourishing and moisturizing. It helps to improve skin tone and texture and can contribute to a more youthful appearance. Lastly, add 1 spoon of almond oil and mix everything well. Now let's mix all these amazing natural ingredients together thoroughly until you get a smooth, creamy paste. Look at that beautiful texture. And just like that, our 100% natural anti-aging yogurt cream is ready. It took just a few minutes, and we know exactly what's going on our skin. No harsh chemicals or hidden ingredients. Your 100% natural anti-aging cream is ready. Take a small amount of the cream and gently apply it in an upward circular motion all over your face and neck. Leave it on for about 15 to 20 minutes while you relax and let all those wonderful natural ingredients work their magic. Then rinse it off with lukewarm water and pat your skin dry. Store it in a clean glass jar and keep it in the fridge. Stays fresh for 7 days. Now remember, consistent use is key. Use it daily for best results. While you might notice your skin feeling softer and more hydrated after the first use, the real magic happens with regular application. Over time, this natural yogurt cream can help to reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles, brighten your complexion, improve skin texture, and give you a healthy, youthful glow no matter your age. Don't let age define your beauty. Embrace the power of nature and give this simple yogurt cream a try. I'm confident you'll love the results. Who needs expensive anti-aging treatments when you have this magic in your kitchen? Try it for just 1 week and you'll see the difference. Tag your friends, share the glow, and let's all stay young naturally. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe for more such glowing secrets. See you in the next video.